Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to start by opening Google Search or Google Flights and entering the flight number or route. This is the fastest path to live info. Type the airline code and number, or enter origin and destination with date, because Google pulls schedules and status from carriers. Once done, scan the summary at the top for departure, arrival, and terminal gates. Make sure to allow notifications so Google can push delays and gate changes to your device instantly. Now dive into the flight card to get live details. Click the result showing your exact flight, and you'll see departure and arrival times, delay probability, gate and terminal, and the aircraft type. Use filters to narrow search by nonstop or specific times when checking multiple options. This reduces false positives. If you're monitoring prices or a future schedule, toggle tracking options in Google Flights so updates appear in your account. This helps you watch both operational status and cost changes efficiently. Finish by enabling Watch This Flight or Price alerts so Google sends you push or email updates. This completes passive monitoring. If you need instant confirmation, refresh the flight card and cross-check with the airline's official status page or their app, because carriers sometimes update first. If Google shows no data, re-enter the flight number exactly, try nearby airports, or clear browser cache. These steps fix most display issues. One key tip: when info disagrees, trust the airline for gate and boarding changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.